Candle flames have been read by witches for centuries, with different movements and colors indicating various messages from the spirits. A dancing flame suggests power. A jumping flame shows hesitation. A small flame signifies patience, and a big flame reflects confidence. Flickering flames may convey messages from spirits based on their direction. A crackling flame indicates spiritual discord, while a steady flame signals success. A sputtering flame suggests low energy. A bright flame signifies captured intention, and a heart-shaped flame indicates love from a loved one. Dual flames may represent split energy or collaboration between spirits. Different colored flames convey different energies, with blue flames signaling a nearby spirit, red and yellow flames representing strong emotions, white flames symbolizing purity and positivity, and black flames warning of negative energy. High flaming candles indicate positive spiritual energy surrounding you.